Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. In today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Bennett and Mason website. So this website is basically an online shopping platform that offer both clothing and shoes for both men and women. So this is a really good platform because the quality of pictures being uploaded about the products on this site are really good. And if we look at any other feature of this platform, I will share with you that the domain name of this website is protected by HTTP protocol, and they also have a valid SSL certificate. Apart from this, the brand of Bennett and Mason was actually registered on 26 January 2025. So this is not a very old or well-renowned brand. And if we look at the products of this website, you will see that they have actually given few customer reviews on their landing page, but on the product page we cannot see any reviews from any customer, which raises concern about its originality. And also this website, this brand name, has a really low score on the Trustpilot website. So in conclusion, I would say you should only buy any product from this website after confirming with any of your homie that if anyone has already bought product and how was it his or her experience. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and if you guys want me to review any other website or platform, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make the reviews of as much platforms and products as I can, but since I cannot review every single product you send my way, so I have created a document that will help you to do the research on your own and qualify any platform before using it. So do check out that document in the description below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.